I think we defended pretty well naman, ano. Especially in the first half. In the third quarter, they had a run. But that's just the way the game is, and we should learn how to break that kind of run because it could happen later on. So, na-break naman namin yung run, but still, I think we weren't able to break the run as soon as I wanted to, without calling as much as possible a timeout. So that's good. We have Berto with us. He knows how to run the team. He knows what's needed when things are not going well, and he'll find a way to to break the streak, to score, to defend. So that's what Robert is here for.
Thank you, Coach. Yun nga, Robert. Challenge ka nila na mas galingan mo pa this season. Binigyan mo sila ng almost a triple-double first game pa lang. Dagdag ko na rin dyan. Ano masasabi mo sa connection nyo ni Mike Henry? Nagkakagulo pa kayo kanina ng rebound?
Wala. Wala na. Masaya lang na nanalo. Pero siyempre, yung fourth quarter lang. Ayan na naman kami yung nag-let down lagi. Dapat gawin na namin yun. Pag gano'n, dapat kill move na kagad. Dapat hindi kami mag-relax, tapos papapalitin lang. Sayang yung effort na ginawa namin halos whole game, tapos bumaba ng 12. Parang kailangan gawin Coach Joe ang coaching staff. Yun yung papakita namin sa bukas paano nangyari yung so dapat